As you know, ModuleWorks is developing software for the manufacturing industry, and today I would like to talk about the impact of software in manufacturing industry. Digital transformation is the theme we are hearing every day. And if you look at manufacturing industry, the digital transformation in manufacturing industry is lagging behind many other sectors. And let's look at the numbers to understand why. $200 billion is every year spent on CNC machine purchases, on cutting tools, on salaries of people programming these machines with these tools to produce parts. And only $3 billion per year is spent on manufacturing software. That's just 1.5%. If you compare this with other industries like consumer electronics, where the value is 30%, you understand easily why software in manufacturing industry is undervalued.